Hi, my name is Dr. Alexa Parker, and this is my husband, Dr. John Parker. The name of our clinic is Parker Nutritional Healing Center in South Tampa, and we practice functional nutrition and functional endocrinology in our office. And we just want to let you know that we will be available at this difficult time. I know a lot of you are stressed and concerned about your health, and we just want to let you know, we've been doing this for 20 years. And over the past 12 years, we have really utilized whole grain nutritional supplements to support our patients in combating pathogens such as viruses, bacterial infections, parasitic infections, and fungal infections. We have had excellent success at really helping our patients, with even the most difficult conditions. And we have worked with them significantly to improve their gut barrier systems, their lung barrier, and their brain barrier systems. So we definitely have the tools to be able to help you. And now my husband is going to talk about some of the protocols that we use in our office.
So first and foremost is we have barrier systems that need to be very strong, and that's one of the reasons people are going around wearing masks, right? They're afraid that their barrier systems aren't strong enough. So part of being hydrated is an important part of your mucosal barrier system. So you got a mucosal skin barrier system, gut barrier system, we have a lung barrier system, we even have a brain barrier system. And that system is dependent on being very hydrated to have an active immune response and keep things in check instead of waiting until you have the infection. So one of the things we look at when we look at barrier systems, we have a couple supplements from Standard Process that are really great for helping the barrier system. The first thing we use, it's a product called dermatrophin. It's a protomorphogen. It's a breakdown of a glandular, and it makes your skin epithelial barrier system strong. It creates the integrity of it. The other one we use is pneumotrophin protomorphogen, and that helps to build your lung system. It keeps it strong, your barrier system. So when we work with people with supplements, we either run labs or we do some functional kinesiology, and we test points in your body that relate to the different tissue, your immune system, and we test for things looking for different type of infections. If we make a protocol, we have very specific nutritional supplements that we use to make sure that your immune system against viruses is strong. So when we look, the first thing we use is a product that contains a lot of selenium. And there's some PubMed articles that talk about the inability for virus to replicate or mutate because you have a selenium-rich immune system. The other thing we look at is we use a product that has some buckwheat in it, and it's a protease inhibitor, which it inhibits the virus from replicating. And there's some great things in PubMed about nutritional supplementation and blocking the ability to have the replication of the virus utilize protease. Arganex is a product we use from Standard Process. It inhibits arginine, and so that stops the replication of the virus. So our point is we're not curing or treating a disease. I'm working on your body's immune system to take care of the problem naturally. We use an oil. We use a lot of wheat germ oil. Wheat germ oil, it helps pull down inflammatory processes at the tissue level. There's a process where you have activated inflammatory nitric oxide. We want to calm that pathway down so your body can be freed up to heal. And then we use a product called Livoplex. We use a lot of Livoplex. It reduces the secondary stage of inflammation where you have a lot of pro-inflammatory cytokines. And that's when really people start to have a crisis. If you have too many pro-inflammatory cytokines, that's what's leading to a lot of the respiratory distress. So we work with people to build your immune system, especially against viruses. We've done some things in the office to help. We've uploaded all of our TrueRife machines to the currents of the coronavirus so that your body will recognize it, or your immune system be more heightened on alert looking for it. And we've also brought in a high volume multi-HEPA filtration system to really start clear out the office. And on the weekends when nobody's around, we run a little ozone into the office to infuse it into the AC system in all the rooms to kill any kind of bacteria, or germs, or viruses.
Mm-hmm. So definitely we plan to continue to support our existing patients as well as our community through whole food supplementation and the use of homeopathics, as well as educating people about how to stay healthy. And if necessary, we are prepared to work remotely via telephone or teleconference. Whatever, if that need arises, we'll be here for you.